Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you decide if it's going to stay a want or it's going to change to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button. And when you press that, and I recommend that you do, what ends up happening, it's called the notification bell, is YouTube will send you one email, and inside that email you will see a picture of the video and the title of the video, and it acts like a shortcut. All you have to do is press on the picture and it takes you directly to the video. I use it, I enjoy it, and I recommend it highly. So what we're doing today, it's a deal that I found while I was shopping at Costco. I really could not believe what I saw. It was this brand called Lipstick Queen, which is a very expensive brand. The lipstick bullets are usually around $25 and the glosses are around $20. This was listed at $6.97. I couldn't believe my eyes. So they all came in these containers, so they're pretty easy to spot if you're shopping at Costco. And the only thing is to take it out of here was a real job. On top of it, some of the bottoms were stuck because they have the actual box on one side and then the lip gloss on the other. And this is the stuff that gets stuck on the bottom. So when you try to remove it or remove some of the stickiness, which I guess they used to place it so that the packaging stayed, you know, the way it should, you lose the actual name that's written on the bottom. So I'm going to show you, I picked up 3, and like I said, they all came in these retail boxes. They white out the UPC code, so I guess some people might want to resell these because, like I said, $6.97, and this is a $20 lip gloss. So I picked it up in 3 shades. That's all that I saw that they had available, and I want to share them with you guys. So the first one that we got, it's called Empress of Apricot, and this is what the outside packaging looks like. And I found it ironic that they're calling it apricot because to me it looked more pink than apricot, but we'll only know once we swatch. So this is what the package looks like. And let's see what the doe foot applicator looks like. All right, that's what it looks like here. And we're gonna do the first swatch. Really beautiful. It is a mixture between, I think it's got some great color because this was really only one swatch. So you've got that high shine, which is what it's called. It's called the Rain and Shine lip gloss. That's what it looks like here. And this is the one that they're calling apricot. So like I said, to me, this is more pinky than apricot, but that's what the name is. The next one that we have here, it's called Consort of Coral. And that's what it looks like there. And again, the packaging is just beautiful. And the color on the packaging is more similar to what the product looks like inside. So I thought that was really cool. And like I said, when I took off the packaging, the bottom sticker removed itself because it still is very sticky on the bottom. That's the glue that they used to put it in the packaging. So this one I assumed was more coral. And we're gonna take a look at that guy. Yeah, this has more of a peach undertone to it. I'm gonna just do a second swatch of it so that hopefully the color comes out a little bit better for the camera. And that's what the second one looks like here. Just beautiful. Really, you can see the high shine, just beautiful. And then the last one, it's called Night of Nude. And that's what it looks like there. And like I said, the exterior packaging has that different shade to it. And this is the last guy here. And this one is more opaque than the others. So really, really pretty. So this to me was really all the colors that you really need. You have your dark nude, you have your peachy tone, and you have your pink. And whoops, this is what all three look like together. And on my hand, the same thing. Whoops. See if we can get this better. Perfect. All right. So like I said, this was a total fluke that we try to walk a lot of the aisles, and the brand Lipstick Queen just stood out, and it was like, wow, I cannot believe that this is available at Costco. Here is an item number, if this helps anybody on the item here. I don't know if this is available online or not, but like I said, these were $6.97 each. I had to grab them because the Lipstick Queen, like I said, I knew they were over $20. I double checked on Amazon, and on Amazon, they were $20 for the glosses and $25 for the bullet lipsticks. I didn't see any bullet lipsticks there. I just saw these glosses, but like I said, $6.97 is better than drugstore prices for a major brand. So really, really happy that I was able to get this and share it with you guys. All right. Once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. I do a lot of unboxings, and when I do see deals, I try to make sure that you guys know about them as well. So please don't forget to hit that notification bell, because sometimes the deals are time sensitive and I don't want you guys missing out. Thank you guys for finding my channel. Thank you for spending time with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.